Hello everyone, welcome to our Fitness Gadgets YouTube channel. Today we will show you the best Amazon jump rope. Best cheap jump rope, top 5 reviewed jump ropes from Amazon. Who does not like to keep themselves beautiful? So everyone is aware of their fitness. So we discuss for you the quality of various Amazon products related to fitness in this channel. While giving a like to the video, you can let us know what kind of fitness gadgets product reviews you want to see. To get the fitness product videos first, you can subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified with a notification as soon as a new video is uploaded. Number 5. FICO half a pound weighted jump rope for boxing, cardio, CrossFit workout. The perfect rope for everyone. 5.5 millimeters thick steel wire weighs 1/4 pound. The handles are manufactured to the highest quality standards, whether you're a boxer, a regular cardio or CrossFit trainer, or jumping to lose weight. This is the perfect weighted jump rope for beginners. Adjustable length. This 10-foot jump rope is adjustable between 9 feet and 10 feet, perfect for any adult between 5 feet 8 inches and 6'3" inch. Professional ball bearings, strong and comfortable handles are perfectly crafted. Number 4. Herarope 1/4 lb weighted jump rope for speed. Supersonic speed jump rope. This supersonic speed jump rope is designed and implemented for high-intensity speed, HIIT and power training. This speed rope is the world's fastest jump rope used by 8-time world jump rope champion and world speed record holder Lee Rissig. Innovative and patented swivel bearing. This jumping rope for workout comes with innovative and patented swivel bearing system that is technologically engineered to eliminate friction, drag, tangles and allows ultra speed and speed control, motion. This adjustable jump rope gives you allows for easy cable replacement after regular wear and tear. This long jump rope comes with lightweight comfort handles to dampen vibrations and provide you with anti-slip grip to help you jump higher and faster. High-quality materials and inclusions. These handles are made of tough lightweight plastic material that is ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in all hands. This jumping rope cable comes with 10-foot-inch stainless steel wire and is adjustable with wire cutters. This CrossFit jump rope includes an Allen wrench to tighten the nut after adjusting the cable. Accommodates all. Buddy Lee's supersonic speed jump rope accommodates all, beginner or advanced, adult or child. This innovative adjustment system allows you to custom size the rope cable for your height with an advanced cable adjustment system for anyone 6 feet 7 inches and under. The best workout jump rope to improve cardio, stamina, and speed, perfect for MMA, boxing, home workouts and cross-training. Number 3. Buddy Lee Jump Rope Supersonic Speed Rope. Company mission. The mission of this company is to teach skipping rope as a lifestyle that inspires humanity to be mentally, physically, and spiritually healthy and strong. This company's skipping rope training system is used by CrossFit, TRX, UFC gyms and more. This company has revolutionized patented external pivot bearing skipping rope technology, teaching how skipping ropes are made and work. This company inspires, teaches and encourages everyone to jump, skip and jump towards better health and wellness. Supersonic Speed Skip Rope. This company's supersonic speed skipping rope is designed and manufactured for high-intensity speed, HIIT and strength training. This speed rope is the fastest skipping rope in the world and is used by 8-time skipping world champion and world speed record holder Lee Rissig. This jump rope rotates more than 7 times per second, helping you maximize your jumping speed and reach your target speed. Innovative patented swivel bearings. This training jump rope features an innovative patented swivel bearing system designed to eliminate friction, resistance, and entanglement, allowing for ultra-fast, smooth rotation and control. This adjustable jump rope allows you to easily replace the cable after normal wear and tear. This long jump rope is designed with a lightweight, comfortable handle that reduces vibration and provides a non-slip grip so you can jump higher and faster. Quality materials and accessories. This company's handles are made from durable, lightweight plastic materials and are ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in any hand. This company's jump rope comes with a 10-inch long stainless steel wire that can be adjusted with wire-cutting pliers. This CrossFit jump rope has a hex wrench to tighten the nut after adjusting the cable. This exercise machine comes with a high-quality carrying bag so you can take it to the gym, the park, or anywhere you like. Suitable for everyone, Buddy Lee's supersonic speed jump rope is suitable for everyone, whether you are a beginner or advanced, an adult or a child, and with its innovative adjustment system, if you're under 6 feet tall, you can customize the rope to fit your height with this advanced cable adjustment system. Best training jump rope to improve your endurance, stamina, and speed. Stay focused and believe in yourself to succeed. Number 2, RX Smart Gear Jump Rope. Smooth rotation. The original RX jump rope features a patented industrial-grade pivot axle bearing system that allows the cable to reach full speed or slow down to match each athlete's speed and timing. Ergonomic contoured handle, hand-wrapped with the most absorbent tape. The handle is 6 inches long and 1 inch in diameter, allowing athletes to maintain the most natural, comfortable grip. It reduces fatigue, which easily helps to keep arms and shoulders normal. Contoured pinch point. Athletes can achieve specific precision to provide a firm, forged grip while maintaining the optimal shape of the rope. Stay cool even if you sweat. Standard aircraft cable, 3.4 Oz Trans Black Cable Buff is the ideal cable weight for accurate timing development. Whether beginner or professional, athletes can find and adapt the right resistance for their speed and coordination level. Made in the USA, proud to have a garage in El Cajon, California. Number 1. Elite SRS 10-foot outdoor rated 5mm PVC. Fitness rope. The Boxer 3.0 jump rope is an essential rope for anyone who regularly jumps rope or ropes for cardio fitness training. It features a break-resistant 5.5-inch plastic polymer handle and a highly durable 5mm PVC jump rope cord. Jump rope specifications. The Elite SRS jump rope consists of a 5mm PVC cord with a cord core. This line prevents the rope from stretching when torqued during a double under. It is 10 feet long and has a 5.5-inch handle length. Speed control features a new ergonomic handle with a new smooth rolling dowel and a dimpled grip for extra grip, easy size adjustment system with snap lock cord end. Elite fitness training rope. This athletic jump rope is designed for strength and speed. This company offers freestyle jump ropes, sport jump ropes, weighted jump ropes, and competition ropes that are suitable for both men and women and provide optimal daily training. Elite SRS, founded in 2016 by former competitive diver and coach Matt Hopkins, Elite SRS provides skipping ropes that help athletes excel at the highest level of their sport. If the rope works for its athletes, the Boxer 3.0 jump rope will work for anyone. This athletic jump rope works great as a jump rope for beginners.